Hey folks, welcome to the Oceania Sirena. We're in Port Miami getting ready to head out. Now normally when we're in Port Miami, we're way over there with all the big ships. There's all the big ships over there, and I think the Scarlet Lady is hanging out right over there as well. But we're actually in Terminal J is where we're at. So we've actually got the whole skyline behind us. It's quite a unique view. Being over here, it's a very small terminal, which is really nice. I mean, nice small parking garage, nice small terminal. You just walk up, there's like 5 people in front of you. We're so used to the big terminals with all the people and everything, but we're actually right on the edge of the waterway here in Miami. So this is the view that you get when you look off the, what side of the ship are we on? This is the port side of the ship over here. But we get quite a different view on this side. So when you sail out of Miami on Oceania, you're going to be getting a whole different perspective of the Port Miami than all of the big ships. So are you guys ready? We're going to be on the ship for 12 days. We just had Victorian carolers. How cool was that? It really put us all in the Christmas mood. So I hope you're ready. We're going to be on here for 12 nights. Christmas, New Year's, Southern Caribbean. Come along for the ride.
You better watch out. You better not cry, better not now, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming.